So this time we're going to use part-whole models to divide two-digit numbers by 10. Let's have a look at this diagram here first. So this is 43 divided by 10. So look how it partitions the 40 and the 3. And then it divides the 40 by 10, which makes 4. And then it divides the 3 by 10, which makes 0.3. Now when we put them together, it shows us this 4.3. So 43 divided by 10 is 4.3. So we're going to use that same thinking, the same technique to solve 37 divided by 10 and 85 divided by 10. So first I'm going to partition, because that's what we do in part-whole models. So I partition into a 30 and a 7, because those are the two parts that make 37. Okay, so I'm first going to divide the 10s by 10. So 30 divided by 10. Now imagine I move 30 one place value to the right, then it would become 3. Now imagine the same thing with that 7. You've got 7 counters in your ones place value and you move them all one place to the right, so they become 7 tenths. So a 0.7 or 7 tenths. Now if I put them together, it would make 3 and 7 tenths. So I know that 37 divided by 10 is 3.7 or 3 and 7 tenths. Let's have a look at 85. Again, I'm going to partition first, so I can break it into an 80 first, and then into a 5. So these are the two parts that make the whole. So now I can divide each part separately. So 80 divided by 10, well, I'm getting quite fast at this now, so I know that is 8. 5 divided by 10, well, I know that's 0.5. So I put them together and that makes 8.5. So this tells me that 85 divided by 10 is 8.5. So you now need to use part-whole models on the next slides to solve your problems.